Merry Christmas, everyone! Welcome back to Chim Sneaker. So today I will bring to you not only one but two very great model for the Christmas and New Year season. So let's have a look. So the two model that I want to bring to you today are both from Converse. So the reason why I suggest the model is because they are all in red. So, first, I have in my hand the Converse Classic Smile high top with the red colorway. Okay, so this model is pretty reasonable price and is suitable for a lot of outfit. And so, the second model, which is a little bit more daring to wear. So, I will bring to you this one, which is the Converse mix of the two colorway in the 1970 line. So this actually the model that I'm using. So the two model which have very cool red colorway and which are very suitable for this season, I will have a quick look to introduce to you. So with the Converse Smile, you can see from here that they have the classic form, which is very light comparing to the 70 model, and this one have a very clean and clear look. You can see from here, it has a very big Converse logo, and the black stripe go alongside of the upper, and with this colorway, you can use it with like black outfits or like colorful outfit, and I love this colorway. For some people, maybe they don't like this color because it is too bright and too attention catching, but for me this color is perfectly for the festive season. And honestly, this model is this colorway is one of the cheapest line of color in the Converse in my country. So you can purchase this model for just around like $20, and I think it is a very reasonable price. And yeah, you can see from here, it has all of the features of a classic high top Converse. So let's move to a more like a funnier model. This sneaker, which I use a lot recently, is from the 1970s line, and you can see from here it has a very recognizable midsole with the ivory colorway, and this one have two pieces of the upper, one with the white and one with the red, and they are connected by the black in the middle. And with this colorway, usually I use the black sock to like match the whole top of the outfit, and it looks truly good. You can see from here, very clear look of the sneaker, the stitching. And yeah, this is an extra funny feature from the sneaker, which is half of the original logo and half of the extra logo. And what differentiate this model from the original Converse just 70s is that it don't have the black stripe, but instead it have a vertical pattern stripe like this. Okay, so that's it. Basically, my two suggestions of wear sneaker for the festive season. See you again in the next episode of Chim Sneaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.